Welcome to LMC. Today we're taking a look at this Toyota Prius Plus XL TSS HEV. Got a 1.8 litre petrol hybrid engine with an automatic gearbox and it's on 65,780 miles. A perfect car if you've got a larger family, as it can seat up to 7 people, which I'll show you shortly. But on the outside you've got gloss black paintwork, hybrid badging and alloy wheels. A nice looking front end, nice bright front lights and daytime running lights following the top of the headlight module. Now you've got front parking sensors, tinted side and rear glass for extra privacy, nice little boot lid spoiler and big rear lights with rear sensors as well. You do also have a rear facing camera, and like I mentioned, this can seat up to 7 people. At the moment it's configured to seat 5. You can see here your rear passengers also get cup holders as well, and by simply pulling the tab you can have 6th and then 7th seat, and a nice amount of boot space behind there still as well. Moving on into the rest of the interior, half leather seating, all individually adjustable with storage on the back of the front seats, as well as a cup holder. And up front, all your window controls on the door card, half leather seats up front with a leather armrest. And your instrument cluster sits up top here. Little notification, let you know it's ready to drive. And then you have steering wheel controls on either side of your wheel. In the centre, we have maps and navigation. We also have different media sources like radio, CD, Bluetooth, aux, USB. And you also have Bluetooth connection for your phone as well as a multitude of different apps like the Toyota Assistant and parking. And then putting the vehicle into reverse brings up that rear facing camera. Beneath this you'll find climate controls, a nice big centre console with storage, additional cup holders and some different options here like full EV mode and eco mode, and then storage inside your armrest. So if you'd like any more information, please visit our website, and thank you very much for watching.